15g. If we're going to complete the square, we need to make sure that we have at least our x terms on the same side. I could move the minus 1 over as well if I want to, but you don't have to. So x squared minus 3x as a completed square would be x minus 3 halves squared, but then I need to subtract my 3 halves squared times my leading coefficient of 1. That equals negative 1 then. So x minus 3 halves squared equals negative 1. Add that 3 halves squared over. 3 halves squared is 3 squared, 9 over 2 squared, 4. So x minus 3 halves squared equals negative 1 is the same as negative 4 over 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5, so that becomes 5 fourths. So now I square root both sides, and I get x minus 3 halves equals plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. Do you see what I did there? I hope so. I took the square root of 4 in the bottom and left it as a square root in the top. So now x equals, add the 3 halves over, 3 halves plus or minus root 5 over 2, which means I write my final answer as 3 plus or minus the square root of 5 all over 2.